Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm recording this at night. And so yeah, I'm here. Here's my puppy. Her name is Fluffy, and I'm gonna tell about her personality. She's cute. She is very kind. And what's sad is that she's deaf, so she might not hear me say this. So yeah, you can see right there. Oh my god, I'm trying to get a good close-up, but yeah, she's very good. Sometimes she gets frightened when she's eating, when someone touches her. But after all, she's super cute, and that's it for today's video. I'm sorry if it's short, but yeah, it's nighttime. And yeah, nobody might be watching this. Yeah, but after all, she's super cute. Look at this face. Well, I can't really see her because she's so hungry. But yeah, after all, that's it. See you. Oh, and you might see her on the profile picture on my, on my profile picture, official. And yeah, that's today's video, ladies and gentlemen. Boy. Okay, bye.